Welcome to this quick introduction to ProContent by Renewed Vision. ProContent is the only worship media library built directly inside ProPresenter. Instead of downloading files from different sites or managing folders, everything you need is already in the software you use every week. It's a growing library of motion backgrounds, sermon graphics, countdowns, intro videos, social media visuals, and even exclusive free content like clips from The Chosen. Whether you're a small church with a single screen or a large church with an LED wall, it's designed to fit your needs. Our goal is simple: make it easy for your team to create beautiful presentations without extra steps or complexity. In this video series, we'll show you why ProContent is unique, how to get started, and how it can help your church save time and focus on ministry. That's it. Let's dive in and explore what makes ProContent the simplest way to access and use worship visuals.